Hi everyone, this is QD and welcome to my cooking show. Today I'm going to teach you how to do risotto, specifically chicken and mushroom risotto. Risotto is an Italian dish that originated from northern Italy. It is actually not a very complicated dish, just that it requires a lot of attention to details. Most people will say that risotto made at home tastes the best because in restaurants they cannot afford to have someone to man the stove for 20 to 30 minutes, and secondly, customers may not want to wait that long for their risotto to arrive. The ingredients that I use may not be the most authentic in terms of risotto, but the techniques are more or less the same. So without further ado, let's go! Alright, first things first, we need rice. Traditionally, Italians use arborio rice for risotto, but if you do not have arborio rice like me, we can use sushi rice also. Next off is boneless chicken leg. If you do not like to use boneless chicken leg, you can use chicken breast meat also. Then with the twist, I use shiitake mushrooms. Diced onions. Next is chicken broth. Actually, we can use any kind of broth. Next is parmesan cheese. Cheddar cheese is fine also. Traditionally, Italians use dry white wine for a risotto, but we can also use red wine vinegar. And next we have salt and dried oregano, which is not shown here. Move on to the mushrooms. We add some lard into the frying pan. Traditionally, northern Italian cuisines use lard and butter. So once the pan is hot enough, we will add in the mushrooms. Then stir them. Make sure they are stirred evenly until they are slightly soggy. Once they are slightly soggy, we can begin to add in the salt. This is how the mushrooms should look like once they are almost done. They should be looking slightly dark and soggy. So once they are done, we can put them aside first. Next up is stir frying the chicken. Again, once the pan is hot enough, we can add in the chicken. Then some salt. So what we need to make sure here is to not overcook the chicken. The chicken has to be just cooked. One way to tell is the color of the chicken. It should be slightly pink, a very light pink. Okay, what we need to do now is to heat the broth until it boils and then lower the heat and to let it simmer. Cook the risotto. First add some oil into the pot. Once the oil is hot enough, we add in the diced onions. And let it sweat. So after sweating, It should look like this. That is when we will begin to add the rice. So in this video I already added the rice, so we stir until the rice is mixed well with the diced onions. It should look like this. And then we add some salt, red wine vinegar, and then stir until the rice absorbs the vinegar. Then we add in the broth until it just covers the rice, like this. So we need to keep on stirring the rice until broth is absorbed by the rice. So this is how it looks like when it's absorbed by the rice. This is when we need to add in more broth to continue cooking it. Keep on stirring until the rice is al dente. So one way to know whether it's al dente is to take out 1 or 2 grains of rice and then start chewing it. It should be soft on the outside and hard on the inside. Then once al dente, we add in the mushrooms. Then we add in the chicken also. Some oregano herbs, the butter, parmesan cheese, make sure the cheese is not wasted. Then keep on stirring it for about maybe 1 to 2 minutes. Once that is done, it should look like this. Ladies and gentlemen, chicken and mushroom risotto. Hi everyone, that's it. Let me know how yours turned out in the comment section below. And if you like my video, do click like and subscribe to get notified for more videos in the future. See you soon, bye!